to be she was in United States ako mo lakna khotna lai Sheikh Mujibur Rahman di ai karak unagi very simple gentleman khigi kari hani pajama amga kurta amga makoi du tura masam de joy larmai anok round to amga sandal ma tongaga yamna chambal le me masi Bangladesh ke Dhaka gi Dhanmandi da ako ne no ako India ki embassy se Dhanmandi de le makoi se Dhanmandi de le yamna chamba koi gi kari hani 3-4 type ki karauma officers amagi maim de lebum maton so simple very nice personality no ego nothing to koi chapada una kono hello are you from India hai tar mo deina khaitang Bengali gi chamin ba khar su jawri mo se Bangladesh nga ai singa Bengal lon kan nga yam lu na tawi ko gentleman hai bita anyway Bangladesh ngi se tawri ba issue se matam pun makta Khalida Jia gi party su Masi as an opponent oina Khalida Jia who is she is the wife of a late Lieutenant General achobumi amagi Bangladesh ke war the mating against the formation of a new government or new party or my president prime minister oramba Sheikh Hasina gi mapa gi against the len musi talk of war ne mas matam khra pairami adu Pakistan gi why the Pakistan should not involve muझे हमने बनी सीधी ऐगी इशारा से तंखाई उन्हें खाई तो पता था मुझे नवाई तो हम भी जाओ इधर you never know even the ISI must have been played very well you never know the Chin cookie जो terrorist की वही बांग्लादेश से लमुनगे मचे तो मायन से हमकन तोड़ी they must have been involved मकोई दी करी हने वाई खू तो उन्हें अमद लेबिंग अमद बने मफन चक्कर तक ले रहा अमद मकों पानी चिंता भी अमन वो चिंता भी वाई कोई culture हारे देना so otherwise Bangladesh is by and large peacefully. She managed 4th time. Opposition ki Khalida Jia believed to have been orchestrated some of vested interest support to was मुझे हूँ ना बनी अको issue India the election तो was a fair 99% maybe 1% America दे लाख बजे Russia दे लाख बजे countries मुझे geopolitics में मखन किया in any manner Bangladesh शांति later the Manipur will be sorry India will be seriously affected
yes
Sheikh Hasina she's a lady I met her later on yamna paji well ladies well behaved and the India ko samajam maruida even the Chinese ki persistent pressure angak pata pressure lakpa paisa na billion dollars course toge adu toge ada toge American su toge ma yade Manasi very boldly she said India na koi pok pi bani India na ko be recognize to bani India ga koi friendship koi thana ba jaroi tangdul na ko lemine ga bani manam di koi India na pung koi ko koi leiri bani akoi matam punuk to mo na mating akoi ne makoi ni niri adigi mo ne so koi da mating ni yauri akoi sa ngamba within the ambit and within the purview of our national interest we should not be succumb from any pressure. So we must have a good relations with the neighboring countries. She was very bold enough to say. Adu asipno torusu Bangladesh lady basing say Islamization gi ama masi feelings masi mayam lay ay marup Dr. Faris na topic reversu masi jamni chumi I endorse and I support it. Manam di quite the masi Pakistan the soiri base quite the show basic no hide Islamization gi or Islamic ki say koi Qatar gumba ki UAE gumba Bahrain gumba atiti countries there 99% madudi there is no concern at all adu Bangladesh gumba da say Hindu mayam leiba jaraktaba Hindu ki mandir mayam tawriba thugaiba khokaiba moini English the desecration ka haina daina tawri kholi puno se Bangladesh Prime Minister Jade she tried to control say democratic country orabadi mayam punali say India the kholi base Pakistan ki population Muslim digi heli India live Muslim
yes
very free even President of India let me even koi Vice President let me Chief Justice of India ke let me so many free lona akoi the loin mas karim to mas akai bimtila Afghanistan apko Musliman sanjana hari India is our second home we will not go back to Afghanistan akoi ken to kuni khokni hai no ai leido but the Bangladesh ke issue se students ma makoi se matam punu to moni season nei either rightly or wrongly akoi su na horing tan karim gyan tadana like mayam punu to Prime Minister Jadu no strike to nung lang khoi jaw na langai to be very frank and let me be submissive karim the khangdaba misguided oiba mayam jawri adun masi pun mosi yengba tarakpada moina mu tobudi she has withdrawn amana harakpada khajani makhra jawri war gi veteran heroes mayam Bangladesh nation popata tumna mang he moi macha muchu sangitum reservation kar thamsi adu seems to be 30% kar yamangum tawi kar minimize toru khur adu kana gumba lady shaji yumbu INDIA party India da mokoi mem singshina ai moi blame tobunate they are in opposition nongchuptagi numit thoi hairi mokoi na hairi nong sorry nongpoktu numit thoi hairi present government na moi nari nongchuptagi ne maduma proof to gudori haba adu proof to ngamadi INDIA da ai chong josan batai hai but politics moi role na lady adu unnecessary the any group any party the harassment or continues to kari haini object in any manner I am in opposition I should oppose it or karimune phato thok then there is no questions the government should be completely we wage a war adumba toru puchi jai but it should be democratically do hand Bangladesh toru se it is not only the kari haini the loss of the Bangladesh it is a loss of the India too and the peace loving countries Bangladesh na Bangladesh is very cooperative for India and for the Asian countries ki main puna makta yam phajna tandu letana last 17 18 19 20 years se phajna lerek pase mase India as one of the mighty country mayam puna makki marakta yamna phajna Sheikh Hasina galoina base yamna pami India na su ati world se pami manasu suggestion pirmi Bangladesh se thugaina ba tori base sigumba akari religious say Christianity religion I don't blame to that but this is what we learn through the paper Bangladesh the certain areas United States na highly piu hain pi roi hai mokoi aeroplane land toba korpa mohi tamuk tami thamba korpa tobo korma du mo de ko to holloi adu some sort of a fishy thing coming up to Bangladesh siga Indonesia they picked up Timor Portugal na palambado Portugal the loni chakra Portugal mi sing se Christianism the hanjalambe sing duna no akoi the freedom oidu jate although we are lamsigi mi or we one and Christian countries Bangladesh is a Christian countries and Bangladesh se khara India di khara ati countries ke law kolga Bangladesh country ma semage plan amal leiri hai se man already she had sounded to the ear of the Prime Minister of India tore bi irang chin ku ki josin hairiba se joram thanga kun hai hiba punama jo country ko semba pami a big slice of the from the Bangladesh from Tripura India digi share from Meghalaya madi ye kari haina ko ye ati country pun mongtesu local Manipur digi su local tor mo country ma same ko plan ni and we will continue to wage this war till we achieve
okay Pawung okay thank you very much Pawung for the opening remark yam nuai pawung gi experience am hai tare ikoi da ta ba yam nga thokpa du ka yam na nuai ba su phau ba hai ba tare pawung gu unaba phangja huwa thengna phangja hu je maroina Bangladesh ki the father of Bangladesh ni hari ba Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman hajoju ki Sheikh Hasina gi apokpa mase ga hakting no un hawi thengna hawi moi ge ma
tunori ai chehi ani hum thengna hori
okay yes
wonderful
it's amazing Pawung
I am privileged mem do chaksha gi koi a very simple house
okay
very simple house even koi airport ta akuni chappa only 14 kilometers ka tan icham chan koi president ga okpa prime minister ga okpa ka chappa ko is a very simple way the yamna personality well cool brain matik chaba mini Sheikh Mujibur Rahman as I bow my head to this the departed heroes of the Bangladesh and who was a good friend of India and true for the world I bow my head to him to that gentleman
hojik se Bangladesh ki me 150 people students ji hat kravani aduga hat paji yamna atrocities si haitare mahiroi ngaktani civilian ngaktani hat ising je arm paiba any military namta nati hadak series luri badi the politics behind adwai the international politics se yeng aganda geopolitics ki angle mayam am leibra haidani yeng boni but for the people of Bangladesh si matter to de hojik oi ne de moi de Bangladesh ki people the moi mi si khibadune the whole emotion is with them aduga emotion si de hendo khar kanda Bangladesh liberation war si na slogan mayam dialogue mayam ne ba hojik si hakka dei si hojik mayam se kan adu to be very frank and honest last rules hai koi ki Sheikh Hasina ki rules pa how ki ba election sing se free and fair with the election is the international media may am the report over international agency may am hanjin high of opposition may am the yes fear with space of Peter with the Hyderco Moy may am say election to Sumaina by who or crook sarkar as a pie giver to Malaya Amoina representatory had a quota natana Masina political magi housi status masigi le status ko sida ahumba ma piba ngambagi oithopa lakpa yabra or if aikoi ngasai panari ba geopolitics angle da ngasai China gi natragana ISI gi Pakistan gi sigi influence mo lem taraga de hojik ki irang se hon badu khangna mo gi objective ti oiro dori pabung ko kai habini
I total was I could reject out there. Pakistan, why she should remain silent? She is active. She will be more proactive. Masamoy hong bani. Moy masasi tangkai mo kaaga tangkai na haji moy adun hingi bani moy siya. Moy is paralyzed or completely. America's or sorry American to China. She should she wants to claim that in the Asian countries though. Excluding the Russia, yes. She wants to dominate, and she had been dominating it financially, plus providing lot of recruitment. The Masipunamuxin country, Macha as good as Mako is a lawyer, a loin and layer of Makuta, including Nepal, included they tried to penetrate the Bhutan, even the Sri Lanka, Maldives Island, the Myanmar, they were completely I have much strong reservation. China ki army ki general Lamaga Aung San Suu Kyi se Nongalaga Lagthoga Nongalaga Land Thon Mani. Either it is accidentally or it was a well pre-planned. China kadumai tokta India se mana yamna powerful country owner kaduman ohingado no haiba my intention of a lady because मेरे प्यार के रामायण में अब रावण क्यों बने हैं हो आयु तो को ऐन नुक्सीजना नुपी मचाम नुक्सीजना ने फजना ऐन माई मतुन कोई जकुल लोग जगे तोड़गे ता मिर्जा कन्नड़ मिरास न लाग लई पीर के थेम पुथोके तो बदो why should I not object है बदो तो मेरे प्यार के रामायण में क्यों अब रावण बने हो है दो Hypothetically, China wants to play a pivotal role to dominate entire the Southeast Asian countries. Ashipun say very simple logic. Ayo mahage satra sajiki satra singsi moke ideology yaute. Manipur the yengshigasi Manipur the lady punamak akoni matam the all Manipur Student Union founder member ne. I am one of them. I was very active. Akoi matam that there was only one student travel ma'am so lai ati group ma'am so lakno ko lo ni chamine common to bim ngasi power struggle power hunger singse tam tan ngasi tara kun kuntra students body thoi kanana kari no nobody knows even in all Manipur Student Union ki office so changa police changa sholun jan thamba so prithvi dam to thok tri ne manam di mo sha angak par role ma yaw ru mare tha tarukpu student member orga the underground training the toromika and apparently he had admitted and confessed before the magistrate adun kai to do adun hypothetically China in any manner India say mana developed countries ki man de chalan ba pamde China wants to be she is the hero or the heroine too loine pun mak man the India said no you nobody China na koi ki Sheikh Hasina ta angak pa pressure peri along with the request nang the CP ge sitau ge nang sitau haiba men say example Meghna Nadi turin ge matak ta kilometer manga makhairam sang ba thong it is not a matter of joke 6 lane de khane jeng China na $1 billion pige na ko shame ge ko shilo dante she says no let India do it I had already spoken India na phajana ko 6 lanes sem 5.5 kilometer Meghna Nadi have se kui turin tara tere ne pan pul laga kayam pakhra turin se mate sari bani aduna akuni jengadur bise not only the Bangladesh ki my ki security not only the Bangladesh relation natte. We have to be very careful Bangladesh India government. If Bangladesh is could manage to penetrate by the China or by the America, by other superpower countries that don't lakpa tarbadi, Bangladesh complete, it will become an handpicked or the tools, and this should be this direct adverse impacts India the lakadoribani. India politics, India and the Bangladesh in any manner, akoi phajana chamine da basunga yade. Akoi ichin na ogno ko lemine da basunga yade. There might be some small tidbits kar asoi amagama mari jena bokona ba janu ko to len mo jay. For example, handa mo to mo na koi 2015 da togri sing she akoi enclave akoi lam Bangladesh manung da leibada akoi na mohidi phangori sena only akoi 2880 akoi hectare khakta. Bangladesh ko pitokri sina kaya no 17,166 6,940 hectare lam just to maintain peace. Chitang hai tang mo Japanese. India is a big country. Ngashi almost 1.5 crore, 2 crore West Bengal and all over India the Muslim mayam lai punung India they enjoy. They enjoy it. They were given 99% citizenship. Till now, every day, everywhere, everywhere. India says so chalta hai. Hamara ki to bhai hai. India ke president ka naam me, Mr. Mukherjee. He is from Bangladesh. India da koi chief minister kayam le rami. Ajit leftist party Ajoy Basu Moy Punamak Luna Bangladesh Natani Apaw Punamak Luna Bangladesh Hana Purbo Bongo Hairamba Purbo Bongo Poshim Bongo Devar Bengal was a country. Other Purbo Bongo de Lapungatana Ayamba Mamata Banerjee Hairi. How do you take a situation the Bangladeshi live those people who want to take refuge here? I will welcome, come and be here. Good? We support it. We do it.
Ado hairu bai damakta ekoi Bangladesh government na ngasi India High Commission je kogre ai Sheikh Hasina na haitare ado protest ogre Bangladesh na haitare ekoi gi Mamata Banerjee na sumai haibise ekoi yam nuaite aidana aide ngasai de ekoi gi moi gi mayuk ta protest tori ba miyam do ado da asa ma pi bese moi gi laipa kai na marum oi ga haibise. Yes,
you kindly see the other side of the coin. Thamoi sing na kanano India gumba country mana hairi se marai bu phabani amuk chacha ge adubu politics ke matang geopolitical jeng patanjada mai ge country dugi mui singdi was ta da bajade do otherwise thamoi dei haide da amatani moi da liba punamak akoi moi de chapad Bangladesh ati ko India yes nuse ko particularly Manipur da liba Assam da liba Tripura da liba Meti Punamak, Meti Pangal is a very strong part. Moi say, okay, Tanamuja Bangatani. Akuni Bangladesh, off and on Chaliba. Two in Chaliba. Bangladesh has become a hub of Manipuris. I say, never think this the Muslim, Manipuri Muslim, never think that you are not included. You are one of the pivotal role.
Just one.
You are playing. No in Bangladesh, Chapaki, off and on Chatok, Chasin, Toriba, Kulipunamasalo in Bangladesh community welcome Tori. Nakshan means Modilam, Muluge, Mudukun dominate Toriginati. Nungshi Chan Bahibase, Yam Tin Hengale. And Bangladesh has become a tourist place for the Manipuri, Assam, Manipuris, Tripuras, Manipuris, Hibisimasaka. So we need to have a good track, good repo, hand-to-hand sake. Bangladesh was a not interfering their politics, but we need a good friend like Bangladesh Prime Ministers, Tori Sumaina. Pakistan countries India but China is playing pivotal role. In any manner, maybe India is a strong country, mighty country. We must extend support to restore peace, tranquility. And we cannot separate, we are inseparable by birth and by blood.
Okay, well.
By birth and by blood. Okay.
Thank you very much. As a true Indian, I'm going to Manipur related to but two relation established the Huge. Nasagi Kota Gimatangse. Kota Gimatangse interestingly Lakanda Kota mamang the chama na issue ne same issue ha betare freedom fighters singi mogi macha masu sing sida reservation pi ge dobni ha begi matang da Bangladesh Supreme Court na hanagi leramba quota je loin mak state au hibane aduda han lerami ba haidi ekoi gi manipuri sing enjoy to quota am bang lei ko bang ni hena khambir ani manipuri community si mapung oiba community ahum na sai Bangladesh ki oina majority se Bishnupriya oi madugi mathang da maitei amasung pangal oi haidi community ahum mak se tribal status ekoi manipur da hojik pabung scheduled tribe demand tori ko ekoi maitei sing su tori pangal sing su tori aduga ekoi na Bangladesh to ubada am interesting oi baje ngasai hojik quota ga su related oi bani ai sum panja ho bani Bangladesh that 5% quota for tribals that include Manipuri Muslim there is Pangal aduga Manipuri Hindu maitei amasung Bishnupriya community ahum je phange hajabani ko bamu
wonderful and wonderful congratulations Bangladesh leriba ai sagai hum Manipur da akhoi madu akhoi tamjaningai ni Manipur mi akhoi di tamjaningai ngakta mi ko bikhani dana permission lobo do natte our fundamental rights scheduled tribe has Manipur da phangandaba yade langa puri punama kaubiganu it is our birthright and there is no reason I see that Manipur should not be granted by the government of India from the scheduled tribe has in
okay babung thank you chage babung hojik lei river ground reality su leire adugi then different sites ma'am amadagi ikogi leiva factors ma'am ama haitara that led to the present unrest in Bangladesh ada sigi leiva situation si da babung mi yeng da habetare babung in terms of your experience adu babung kamai kai oithorok pe kari masidagi oithorok pe habetare babung ngasai babung di ngasai emsu ling khatpa yoram ni na Pakistan se East Pakistan kai baji babung mit mamang da thokri ne bako ado ekhoi di adu generation am phango bontre aduna babung adu urabani na after the liberation of Bangladesh habetare ngasi faw da thokpa protesting manung da magi intensity quite yamna wang ba protest ni haidana hoji loina media puna mang report to event na mane ba handakise Bangladesh ki history da masi quite maru be event am oina legado ba dumba thodo amakak ne handaki Bangladesh ke unrest masi ki protest se hoji mi lising amagi mathak ta hena thiba phangdri ba hoji adu mi lising khara ne hoji Bangladesh na government na fazal thar mi je mi chama ga yankhai se sigrabani student ngakani bang kai oithor pe ai hoji
masi consequence se yam sensitive ni
yes
masi phajana well meticulous plan phajana tawdana masi solve tawno issue to begin in khalli India government cannot directly makodi advice for advice we request to buja phajana to be copy anything what we can do we can come and extend help this is a quite good gesture to bham thoi ngasai gi to Purba Bongo Paschim Bongo East Pakistan West Pakistan nate Purba Bongo Paschim Bongo have se Bengali khandal leibaga akhoi mite krasa jauri aisu select Srihotto hai mon Srihotto hai ai kaptai de lermi Chandraguna de lermi adi Chittagong de lermi Chittagong se Chattogram hai ba ko madu lake achau ba lady kano da koi gi Chandraguna koi kaptai da angak Asia ki khoi di achau paper industry amal lady angak pan haji Bangladesh se thoi ba particularly koi gi firon tu ba khopagi mayam supply to world manung do one of the best
yes
very reasonable prices angak pani and especially the credit goes to the ladies
yes
going angak pani maton sargi huge dollars se economy se Bangladesh GDP se Bangladesh ki Muslim ladies sing sena ma koi no hona bakkan beti Bangladesh ki lambi thumbi kari kara sen sum yem angak padam develop oi kre angak pade develop jam oi kre which was could not imagine it ngasidi adu anyway jam sincere on masi nakan pro but keeping in mind Bangladesh se shanti lehenba pamdaba group jamna leiri ngasai ISI who is ISI there is a Pakistan government na India se tunglo tan lehenba pamde mi thajal khochal marmo taji Indian army tap tan western border thajang Pakistan ki leri keno to gudori se haina India any matam attack to buja karim ngang dre base mon khoi ki economy am thajal lag terrorist am thajal lag halaliba mayam singje Indian khar kom tho buja ni anyway Sheikh Hasina Prime Minister da kono kutlon in hang chaw di tangduletan panbo oibu nung si chanana any section of people puno Fajana Kandotobu, Angang Shiriba Singdudi, Gyantadabagtani, or somebody are behind. Some people or some countries are hectically involved. Monetarily, they are financing, they are mesmerizing. Even you never know that even from Manipur, so some terrorist people must have been there, must be there. So why they should remain silent? This is the golden opportunity. Chin cookie jogi Bangladesh ke army ke cup na this yauri. Why they should remain silent? There also enough numbers are there. Chittagong hill tracks area the Uvapangi, but I was very limited. I could not say anything, simply keeping an eye, simply to collect some in a Pamba. Yes, I was attributed that assignment to I hand over job. Then I stayed for a couple of months or few weeks that I enjoyed nicely everywhere. Whatever maybe the region, Masjid line lobby bijadi. Yam namakong every corner from the root. Okay, Mullah mayam, Maulavi mayam, politicians mayam, even retired armed personnel mayam Pakistan the later punum pusu, leave settled to punum pusu, visit Kobi, copy than Kari Toruga, Pagadra Namasa Torubani, Adubu, Keduruni, Haji Birin Sabna, Pavani and Torubatama Awabatari. But we appreciate. Patabo Heshida, Amanatra Manata, Mrs. Shenduk to Batar, because Manipur, what point will learn Mudabani.
Okay, well,
Aduna, yes, I give request and appeal have same. Peace restored to you from every section of people should participate and make them understand so that this the burning inferno towers let it be doused. I am from India. I am one of the Bangladesh lover and admirer. Prime Minister and Hangachari have
okay, Pamung, thank you very much, Pamung.